In Module 3, Lesson 1, we're going to begin by graphing positive and negative numbers on the number line, and we're going to show the opposite direction in value in this lesson. Exercise 1 asks us to complete the diagrams and count by ones to label the number lines. On your material, you probably do not have number lines, so you'll need to draw them in first. You'll need one number line that is horizontal and one number line that is vertical. Horizontal across, vertical up and down. From that point, we're going to divide our number lines into equal intervals. And it doesn't really matter how many you create, but they do have to be equal or close. Now, after we have our number lines divided into equal intervals, and yes, I know these intervals are further apart than these. That's the beauty of number lines, is that they change from one to the next. You can have very close intervals or very far apart ones. But how you number the number line is the most important part. So starting with our horizontal number line, we're going to start at 0 since that's what we have done in the past. We're going to review what we've done in the past and then we're going to build on to that. Starting at 0, and we're going to count by ones because that's what the direction tells us to do. And so to review what we did, we created and numbered a horizontal number line starting at 0 and having equal intervals increasing by 1 across the number line. And then we did the same thing with a vertical number line starting at the bottom and increasing as we go up. This is the traditional way that we've made number lines. In class, you'd be given a number that you would need to locate on these number lines. And then, for example, if I were to give you the number 3, you would plot your point at 3. And then you would be showing the distance from 0 with a curved arc showing 3 units from 0 to 3. When we continued on with the lesson, you would then be asked to explain how to find the opposite of 3 on a number line, which would be 3 units below 0 or to the left of 0. So we would need to extend our number line into negative numbers and then draw the arc and the point on the number line to the left or below 0. This is an extension of the exploratory activity in which students were asked to create a number line and to number the number line with both positive and negative integers using a compass for equal intervals from 0. The most important point to be made in this lesson is that opposites are the same distance away from 0, but on opposite sides of 0. Whether your number line is horizontal or vertical, 3 and its opposite, negative 3, are both 3 units from 0 in different directions.